this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp voice messages problem. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, make sure your microphone permissions are enabled. For that, launch settings. Go to the option apps, find WhatsApp and launch it. Make sure you have toggle on for the option microphone. In case it is disabled, enable it. If still voice messages are not working, force close the WhatsApp and reopen it. Then check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Outdated versions often have bugs that can break voice messages functionality after updates. Next, check the device storage. For that, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage. Low storage can prevent WhatsApp from properly saving or playing voice notes. Also, you can check the server status of WhatsApp. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in WhatsApp server status. Navigate to the genuine websites such as Down Detector. Now, if you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If not, you can use other steps. Likewise, you can log out and log in back to your WhatsApp. And lastly, you can completely delete WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.